Lawmakers and former CDC officials had a clear-eyed discussion about the agency's troubles today at the Capitol. The roundtable comes just 2 weeks before CDC workers are expected back in the office.
Well, they've been out since that deadly shooting rocked the campus last month. Political reporter Doug Reardon is live where it happened at CDC headquarters in Atlanta. And Doug, some workers, they are not ready for that return to work.
And we've heard anecdotes from people who are not ready to send their kids back to the CDC daycare here, nor ready to come back themselves. Combat veterans who suffered instances of PTSD after that shooting. There were over 500 rounds that hit 6 different buildings here at the CDC campus. And in a memo that was directing workers to come back here to the office by September 15th, the CDC said safety would be a top priority. But at the roundtable event at the Capitol today, former public health officials had their doubts. They said the shooting was driven by false claims coming, in some cases, from the current administration and Secretary Robert F. Kennedy about vaccines, and they want more support from the White House and from the state's governor. Today, lawmakers demanded Governor Brian Kemp show more support for what they called a crown jewel of public health right here in Georgia.
We're proud of that. Governor Kemp should be proud of that also. I know he is. He just needs to say to these workers, say to the folks that care about science and care about public health, that he's proud also of the CDC being here, and he will stand with them against the assaults on their integrity.
Now, in the days after that shooting, Governor Kemp did call the incident tragic. He also attended the funeral of Officer David Rose, who was the only person killed out here on August 8th when that shooting took place. Outside the CDC in Atlanta, Doug Reardon, Atlanta News First.